Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to have you here today. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our weekly quick and easy recipes. We've got a lot of deliciousness coming your way. Today, I've got something bubbly and delightful for you, the perfect mimosa. Whether you're hosting a brunch or just want to treat yourself, this recipe is a must-try. Let's jump right in. First, let me give you the list of ingredients you'll need. It's a short list, but each component is essential for that perfect balance of flavors. 2 parts chilled champagne or sparkling wine. This is the star of the show, so make sure to choose a good quality one. 1 part chilled orange juice. Freshly squeezed is always best, but if you're in a pinch, store-bought will do just fine. Optional, a splash of triple sec or Grand Marnier for a twist. This adds a lovely depth and complexity to the drink. Fresh orange slices for garnish. Not only do they look beautiful, but they also add a nice hint of citrus aroma. Got it? All right, let's make this mimosa magic happen. It's super simple and quick, so you'll be sipping in no time. Step 1. Grab your favorite champagne flute. If you don't have one, any glass will do, but flutes are classic and help keep the bubbles intact. The shape of the flute is designed to preserve the carbonation, so it's worth using if you have one. Step 2. Fill the flute about halfway with chilled champagne or sparkling wine. Make sure it's nice and cold. This is key for that refreshing taste. Keeping your champagne chilled ensures that the drink stays crisp and refreshing. Pour it gently to keep those bubbles intact. Pour it gently to keep those bubbles intact. The bubbles are what make a mimosa so delightful and effervescent. Step 3. Now, slowly add your orange juice. I like to use freshly squeezed for that extra zing, but store-bought works just as well. Freshly squeezed orange juice has a vibrant flavor that really elevates the mimosa, but if you're short on time, store-bought is perfectly fine. Fill it up, leaving a bit of room at the top. This allows for a little bit of mixing and prevents any spills. Step 4, optional but fabulous, add a splash of triple sec or Grand Marnier. This gives it a lovely depth of flavor. Not too much, just a splash. It's a small addition that makes a big difference. Not too much, just a splash. You don't want to overpower the delicate balance of the champagne and orange juice. Step 5. Give it a gentle stir. We don't want to lose those precious bubbles. Just a quick, gentle mix to combine the flavors. The bubbles are what make the mimosa so light and refreshing. Finally, garnish with a fresh orange slice on the rim of your glass. Isn't it beautiful? This adds a touch of elegance and a hint of citrus aroma. And there you have it, the perfect mimosa in just a few minutes. It's so easy and quick, yet it feels so luxurious. Perfect for brunch, celebrations, or just because you deserve a treat. It's a versatile drink that's always a hit. Before you go, make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Your support means the world to us. Share it with your friends who love a good drink, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy recipes. We've got plenty more delicious ideas coming your way. Thanks for watching, and until next time, cheers. Enjoy your mimosa and have a fantastic day.